Check out this 2006 Chevrolet Avalanche. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission, premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. He's always hot and she's always cold. Solve this problem while driving with dual temperature controls. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: passenger airbag, stability control, daytime running lights. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.